Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to go over and we have some new glitches as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from y'all. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so quick reminder, I did make a post in the community tab this morning, but I wanted to remind everybody just in case y'all missed it. Don't forget we have new free printable coupons on inboxdollars.com. So we've got some high value makeup coupons. We have pet food coupons. We've got a 3-off one for the Revlon, 4-off one for the Blue Wilderness. So go and check those out. Make sure you print those off before they disappear. Now, if you go through inboxdollars.com, they actually pay you to print off your coupons. They'll give you 1 cent for each coupon that you print off. And once you redeem those coupons in the store, they're going to give you an extra 10 cents back. So that is even better. I have used inboxdollars.com for years now and saved so much money. Also, if you want to sign up, you can either do it through the website. If you want to just use the website, that's completely fine. If you want to download the app, you can do that as well. But I do have a referral link down in the description box below. If you use it, you're going to get a free $5 sign up bonus. So make sure that you go and check that out and sign up. There's a lot of ways that you can earn money through inboxdollars.com. They have quizzes, surveys, games, purchasing things in the store, scanning things in the store. So definitely go and check it out if you haven't already, and make sure you print off those coupons before they disappear. Alright guys, so before we get into the new Dollar General digital coupons, I do want to say that I recommend you all sign in on the website on Sunday mornings to clip your new digital coupons to your account. And the reason why I say that is because on Sundays we get all of our new digital coupons. Now some will also trickle in later on in the week, and that's fine to use your app, you know, to clip those 1 or 2 coupons that we would get throughout the week. But on Sundays, because we get so many, I recommend you sign in on the website because they all will show up all at once for you. You can even go up there at the top right there where it says latest coupons, and you can put them in A to Z order. That way you can tell if you have a higher value or a lower value coupon clipped to your account already. So that's how I do it. That's how I've been doing it forever now. So if you ever have any issues with your app and coupons not showing up, always go to the website. But for me, I just go ahead and sign in on the website anyways. That way they all show up at once and I know what I'm looking at. Alright guys, so let's jump right in here. Of course, you want to clip that 5 off 25. Now we have some new always coupons. On 2 of my accounts, I have different values. So just depending on what you have on your account, I'm pretty sure that they're all safe to clip though, alright? So we've got 2 off 1 always liners. These start out at $5.50. So after the coupon, you'll pay $3.50. We have a $2.50 off for the always or Tampax products. So these start out at $7.50. So after the coupon, you'll pay $5. Then we have $6.50 off 1 Always Discreets. This is on the larger ones. These are priced at $19.95. So after the coupon, you'll pay $13.45. So really great high value coupons there. The only other Always coupon I believe that we have for the Always Discreet is the 2 off one, and I think those work on the 26 count liners if you still have that one on your account. And then I do believe we have a 1 off one for the Always or Tampax products, so you may want to look out for that. Alright, next up, 1 off 1 Tide Simply. Now, what I noticed this morning with the Tide Simply is that the price has increased. So if you guys are seeing these price increases in your app this morning, please let me know down below. That way on Friday, I'll know that we're all either kind of on the same page or some of y'all are still catching up on the prices. So the Tide Simply used to be $2.95, but it's jumped up in my area to $3.25. So after the coupon, you'll pay $2.25. But y'all let me know down below so that I know what to do on Friday. Alright, so I'm going to pass on that one. That's a little bit too high for some Tide Simply for me. Next up, we have our first glitch. So the 2-off-1 Colgate is back. Now you want to pick up, if you want to pick up the Max Fresh toothpaste, those are priced at $2.75. So after the coupon, you'll pay just 75 cents. However, this 2-off-1 coupon is working on the Colgate 6-ounce toothpaste that we were getting last week with that 5-off-3 digital coupon. So you want to pick up one of those for $1.75. After the coupon, that'll make it completely free, plus give you 25 cents in overage. So really great deal there. We're already getting into some overages this week. Next up, if you want to pick up the Colgate Anti-Cavity 6-ounce toothpaste found in the dollar aisle, this is also working on the Colgate 2-in-1 Icy Blast in the dollar aisle, or the Colgate Kids Cavity Protection 2.7 ounce, also $1. So we have 3 different toothpastes that are working with this that are $1. So after the coupon, that'll make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. So definitely clip that one. All right, 1-off-2 for the Ritz crackers. The cheese crispers are the lowest price ones. Those are $2 each, so pick up 2. That's going to put you at $4. After the coupon, you'll pay $3 for 2. Next up, Airwick starter kits, or the Freshmatic starter kit, or the 5-count scented oil refills. These are $10, so after the coupon, you'll pay $8. Alright, 1-off-2 for the family-sized Oreo cookies. Now, if you want to pick up the lemon Oreo cookies, which I have never tried, y'all let me know if anybody's tried the lemon Oreo cookies. Those are $3.50, so after the coupon, you'll pay $6 for 2. All of the other Oreo cookies are priced at $4 each, so after the coupon, you'll pay $7 for 2. Alright, next up, we have Colgate Multi-Packs 3-off-1. Now, if you can find the Colgate Total Whitening Gel 2-pack, those are priced at $3. So after that coupon, that'll make it completely free. If you can find, there's a couple other of the Colgate Total Whitening toothpaste 2-pack that are priced at $4.50. So after that coupon, you'll pay $1.50 for 2. And then we also have the Optic White 2-packs. Those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you'll pay $2 for 2, making those $1 each. All right, next up, we have a 3-off-1 for the pull-ups. These are priced at $10.95. So after the coupon, you'll pay $7.95. We have 150-off-1 for the Visine products. These start out at $6.75. So after the coupon, you'll pay $5.25. And next up, here's a really good coupon that I'm pretty sure we can come up with some awesome deals for. We have Save $5 when you spend $25 on Love's diapers. So definitely clip that one. We have Angel Soft 1-off-1 for the 12 mega rolls. Those are priced at $9.95, so after the coupon, you'll pay $8.95. And we have 1-off-1 for the Fabuloso Multi-Purpose Cleaner. These are huge jugs. Like, this would probably last you an entire year. So these are 128 ounces of the multi-purpose cleaners. So I found one of these in the clearance section a few months back. So definitely check your clearance sections for these big jugs. If you can find them in the clearance section, they're probably going to be priced at $5.40. So after the coupon, you'll pay $4.40. If you can find them in the regular aisle, they'll probably be priced at $6. So after the coupon, you'll pay $5. But again, that's a lot of multi-purpose cleaner there, okay? All right, next up, we have 2-off-1 for the L'Oreal Paris Hair Color. This is a DG store coupon, and we have a manufacturer coupon that will stack with this. So you want to pick up one of the L'Oreal hair colors priced at $9.25. Use the 2-off-1 DG store coupon and the 1-off-1 manufacturer coupon, and that will leave you paying $6.25. All right, moving on down, we've got 3-off-1 for the Bic Soleil, the Bic Flex, or the Bic Hybrid disposable razors. So if you want to pick up the Bic Soleil Bella razors, those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you'll pay $2. If you want to pick up the Bic Flex 4 or 5 or the Hybrid 3 men's razors, those are priced at $6. So after the coupon, you'll pay $3. And we also have a couple of razors that are glitching with this coupon. So if you want to pick up the Bic Sensitive 2 men's razors 10-pack, those are priced at $7. So after the coupon, you'll pay $4. Or if you want to pick up the women's Simply Soleil 3-count razors, those are priced at $3.30. And after the coupon, you'll pay just 30 cents. So a really great deal there. Alright, we're going to skip over a couple of these here. Alright, next up we have a one-off one for the Cheerios Oat Crunch Cinnamon Cereal. So these are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you'll pay $2.50. However, the General Mills cereals are on sale this week, 3 for $6. So if you have this one-off one, pick up 1 box of the Cheerios and 2 of the other General Mills cereals. We should have another one-off 2 digital coupon, so that will leave you paying $4 for 3 boxes. So a pretty good deal there. We have one-off one for the big stationery products. So here's another price jump that I noticed. The 10-count Bic pens that were $1 each. They've been $1 each forever. Those jumped up to $1.65 each. So again, let me know in the comments down below if your prices have went up on this item. So the 10-count pens are $1.65. After that coupon's applied, you'll pay just 65 cents. Alright, we have one-off one for the Pedialyte products. Those start out at $3. After the coupon, you'll pay $2. We have one-off one for the Believe Beauty Cosmetics. Those start out at $3, so after the coupon, you'll pay $2. We have one-off one for the Extra Laundry Detergent 255-ounce jugs. Those are priced at $8.75, so after the coupon, you'll pay $7.75. We have 2 off one for the Sierra or Shavely's razors. So if you want to pick up the razors, those are priced at $6.50. After the coupon, you'll pay $5.50. If you want to pick up the refills, those are priced at $5.50. So after the coupon, you'll pay $4.50. Alright, next up we have one-off one for the Axe products. So again, this depends whether or not you have insert coupons. We still have 150 off one insert coupons for the Axe products, and then we also have 2 off one for the Axe hair that came in last Sunday's Unilever insert. Alright, so just double check to see which insert coupons you have. And you may have some digitals that are higher value too if you still have that 150 off one. I'm not sure when that one expires. But if you want to go ahead and clip this one, the shampoo is priced at $4, so after the coupon you'll pay $3. If you want to pick up the regular sized Axe deodorant, those are $4.35. After the coupon you'll pay $3.35. If you want to pick up the Glitch on the Axe 1.7 ounce deodorants, those are priced at $2.50. So after the coupon, you'll pay $1.50. I still have insert coupons. I'm going to double check their expiration date before I clip this one to my account. Next up, 55 cents off one for the Raid products. So these start out at $3.50. After the coupon, you'll pay $2.90. Next up, we have buy one International Delight Creamer and get one of the Silk Oat Milk for free, alright? But I think they've got it backwards here because it's not taking off the Silk Oat Milk for free. It's actually taking off the creamer for free. So the creamers are priced at $3. The oat milk is priced at $3.75. So pick up both of those. It's going to put you at $6.75. But after this coupon is applied, it leaves you paying $3.75 for 2. So I think it's taken off the wrong, I think it's taken off the creamer instead of the milk. But go ahead and clip that one. We have one off one for the 24-pound bags of Kitten Caboodle dry cat food. Those are priced at $16.95. So after the coupon, you'll pay $15.95. We have one off one for the Silk Almond Milk. So these 2 coupons right here do not stack. One is for Silk Oat Milk. One is for Silk Almond Milk. Alright. So the almond milk is priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you'll pay $2.50. Next up, really great deal on some laundry detergent here. If you want to pick up the 15-count Purex packs, these are priced at $3. So after the coupon, you will pay $1. There's another Tide Simply coupon. Again, those are $3.25. After the coupon, you'll pay $2.25, but I'm going to pass on that. Then we have 2 off one for the Gain products, laundry products. These are priced at $6.95. So after the coupon, you'll pay $4.95. We need to do a Gain deal. I haven't done a Gain deal in a while. We may have to do that for this Saturday. Next up, we have Tide 2 off 1. These are priced at $4.95. You can pick up the liquid or the pods. $4.95. After the coupon, you'll pay $2.95. And we have one-off-one for the Swiffer Duster starter kits. There's different starter kits that you can choose from. They all start out at $9, so after the coupon, you'll pay $8. I'm going to pass on that one because sometimes we get higher value coupons for Swiffer products. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. Those are all of the new coupons that we have so far. I will be putting out a good deals and glitch list video either tomorrow or the next day, so be on the lookout for that. Now, I have a little fun idea that I wanted to run by you all. Since we had the Werther's glitch going on last week, and I know that a lot of people got in on that deal, I thought it might be fun to kind of do like a top 10 list, because I know several of you all were like close to 100. Some of you may have even went over 100, but there was some big numbers of how many bags you all ended up finding and getting with that glitch. So you guys let me know if you want to do that. If you do, if you want to be a part of this top 5 or top 10 list for this Werther's glitch list, just put how many bags you picked up last week during this glitch, and I'll kind of put that together and we will talk about it in the next video or on Friday's 5 off 25 video. But I thought that'd just kind of be fun, give you guys a pat on the back, give y'all some recognition for getting out and getting some awesome deals. Alright, so y'all let me know down in the comment section. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Now, before you go, y'all know the drill. If you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, because it's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you on the next one.